Metro Nashville Police, Fire, Medical.
Hello, my name is Karen Griffin. I live in Brentwood, but I have a son who is homeless and is occupying space in Davidson County. He is schizophrenic, and for about the last hour has been texting me messages that he plans to kill me and other people. And I think it's something that Davidson County should address.
Okay, man. Do you want us to go out and check on him? Do you have an address for him?
I don't have an address, but I know where he is. He's at the Goodwill at the corner of Concord Road and Nolensville Pike. He's homeless. He lives on a small plat of land near that store, like right around the edge of its parking lot.
Okay. And that was Concord Road and Nolensville Pike?
Right. There's a Goodwill Industries building right there about 100 yards or so off the pike. Mm-hmm. And in their parking lot on the right side of the building, there's a sort of scrub of trees and a little plat of land where several homeless people live, and he's one of them. His name is Jacob Griffin.
Jacob Griffin? Is he male, white, black, Hispanic?
He's white. He's 6'4", weighs about 210, 215 pounds, has long, dark, curly hair.
Okay, ma'am.
Usually carrying a giant backpack. He does have a gun. He has texted me pictures of a full magazine of bullets this morning. So he is armed, and I personally would consider him dangerous, but he has never actually been violent. I really don't want the police to kill him, but I don't want him to kill anyone else either. But they should be aware he has just texted me pictures this morning of a magazine full of bullets in his hand.
Did he threaten to harm himself or anyone else besides you?
He has not specifically threatened to kill anyone else. However, he used to work at the Goodwill, and over the course of the last 3 or 4 months, he has repeatedly threatened the manager at the Goodwill. His name is Mark. Mm-hmm. And he has threatened to enter the Goodwill with a weapon and kill everyone he can find. Not today. He has not specifically threatened the Goodwill today, but he has talked about, quote, mass murder today in the text messages he's sending me.
Okay. All right.
The Goodwill fired him 6 months ago. He is very, very angry at them. Jacob has never been as specific as he has been today, and something has gotten under his saddle today, and there's a problem.
This is a step process, you know? So the first step is to get you unarmed, and then come talk to me.
Come on, it didn't need to be a nuclear bomb.
Well, you can stop it at any time. You can come out here.
Total control. You have total control just to end all this. Come out here safely, the council talk to you, and go from there. Oh, we'll let you. I done told you how you can trust us. You can check our trust. No. I told you I'm not leaving until you come out here safely. We can't leave until you come out safely.
And I'm going to be here the entire time.
And Madison.
And the first step in this is all up to you. And that's just to walk out here without that pistol. Once that step is done, we move on to the next step.
All you are going to understand is that I don't have something.
All I'm going to understand is that I'm going to understand is that you're the same person I've been talking to for almost 3 hours.
I am a hypnotist. Get off my property.
Can't go away, buddy.
Jacob, without your gun, you come halfway, you'll see that we still care enough to get you out being hurt. That you can trust our word, everything we said, you'll see it came true.
Get off my property.
We can't do that. We can't leave until we get you safely outside to talk to the council.
If you really want us to leave,
No, I can't do that either.
If you really want us to leave, it's all up to you, man. You make the choices. If you want us to leave, then you have to come out here and talk to the counselor. Then we'll all get out of here. We'll leave you alone.
Jacob, I want you to feel good about this. And that's why I keep saying this is in your control right now. Yeah, I know it's...
I'm not getting in that fucking shit pit, all right? Don't you point that gun at me.
Hey, Jacob.
Does he have a gun in his hand?
No, he dropped it. He dropped it. Don't pick up the gun again, Jacob.
Get that fucking gun out of my fucking face.
Jacob, you can't be playing with the gun. Don't pick it up.
Don't pick it up?
You
Like
can't
that?
do that.
Get off my property!
Jacob, we can't right now. We can't.
No!
We want to help you. But we can't leave until we resolve this.
It's resolved.
No, it's not yet.
You just fired a shot. You just upped it up, Jacob.
Get the fuck off my property!
Jacob, you just fired a weapon.
Stop it.
Jacob, you need to walk out this way now.
Stop shooting that laser at me.
Jacob.
You need to walk out this way now.
I gun at you. Stop. I'm fucking with you right now, please.
You need to understand, you just stepped up the game, Jacob. I try to put it in your control. It was all in your control.
I made a loud noise.
Yeah, it's right, you made a loud noise. You fired a shot off.
Sir.
Right. And all I've been telling you is we're here to help you.
Yes, sir!
Right, so you need to step out here now.
No,
You done fired a shot off, and you up the game for no reason. We've done nothing but be nice to you. And I can keep my promise, but you gotta walk out of here without the gun now.
No, sir.
It's
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show us your hands and I will get him off you! Show your hands! I got. Where's the gun? Where's the gun? Pick it up! Do not move! Shot! Here! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show us your hands and I will get
Show your hands! Show your hands!
Where's the gun?
Where's the gun?
Pick it up!
Do not move!
Shot!